Hey, gearheads! Are you ready for the next evolution of mid-size trucks? The 2026 Toyota Tacoma is bringing some serious upgrades to the table, and we've got all the details you need to know. From bold design changes to enhanced off-road performance, this truck is built to impress. Let's dive in. Exterior upgrades. At first glance, the 2026 Tacoma stays true to its rugged heritage, but with some bold refinements. A larger front grille gives it a more aggressive look, complemented by sharp LED headlights and a sculpted hood that enhances its muscular stance. Toyota has also raised the fender arches, making it look even more powerful. To improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, Toyota may introduce sleeker side mirrors and redesign door handles. Plus, new wheel options and pronounced fender flares will reinforce its off-road credibility. TRD Pro, built for adventure. For those who love venturing off the beaten path, the TRD Pro model is stepping up its game. Expect an upgraded suspension system, skid plates for added underbody protection, and aggressive all-terrain tires for maximum grip. Higher ground clearance and better approach and departure angles mean this Tacoma is ready to tackle even tougher terrain. Power under the hood. The 2026 Tacoma is expected to offer multiple engine options. The reliable 3.5-liter V6 may get a power boost, delivering more horsepower and torque for better acceleration and increased towing capacity. Whether you're hauling gear or hitting the trails, this truck is built to perform. With a refreshed design, enhanced off-road capabilities, and potential powertrain upgrades, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma is shaping up to be a serious contender in the mid-size truck segment. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to keep the Tacoma at the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest car releases. See you in the next video.